Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Simbi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So I'm finally back, guys. I'm finally back, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this long twist wig. And guys, please don't skip the ads. Please don't skip the ads. Like this video and share this video, guys. So let's get into the tutorial and watch every step so that you understand. And the tutorial for the micro twist, guys, is coming next after this one. So subscribe. Let's get into the tutorial. For this wig, I'm going to be using a half frontal, which is 4 by 7.5. It's more than half. So if you don't know how to ventilate, I have tutorials on hair ventilation, which I'm going to be linking in the description, so do go and check them out. And I'm going to crochet this twist at the back, and I also have a tutorial on how to make this twist on your leg using the leg method, which is way faster than twisting with your hands. I'm also going to link that tutorial in the description, so do go and check out those tutorial, guys. Yeah, so firstly I'm going to start off by crocheting the twist at the back. So this is how it's looking, and I'm going to be using this bigger crochet hook. So I'm going to be doing the bricklayering method, guys. So just pass your crochet through your wig cap like that, pass it through, and then you're going to put it in between the loop of your twist, and then you're going to pull it through your wig cap. So just close your hook and then pull it through like that, and then you're going to pass your hook through the loop and then go to the ends of the twist, and then you're going to hook it, and then you're going to pass it through the loop in order to tie and knot, guys. This is so simple and easy, and I advise you to go and check out the tutorial on how to do this twist on your leg, so that it will make your job easier. So pass your crochet through, hook your twist like that, and then you're going to pass it through your wig cap, and then you're going to pull it through, pass your crochet through the loop, and then hook your twist at the ends, and then pass it through the loop, and then tie and knot, guys. It's so simple and easy. It's so simple and easy, guys. So just continue doing the same thing, spacing it out like that, and make sure that your braids are more focused on the back part than the sides, because it is easier for the back to open and show what's inside. So you have to fill in more at the back than the sides. Yeah, so that is how I did it, and I'm just going to reduce the spacing as I go near the closure. So reduce the spacing as you go up, and make sure more braids are focused on the back part than the sides. Yeah, so just crochet it like that. So I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to let you watch, and if you have any questions, do say in the comment section and I will answer your questions. And I'll also link a tutorial that will explain further about the question that you have, if I do have the tutorial. If I don't, I will make a tutorial on that. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe and join the family. And if you've liked the video so far, please click the like button, share the video, guys. Share the video. Sharing is caring. So let's continue. So for the last line, I'm going to join the closure and the wig cap together. So just pass your crochet through your closure and your wig cap, and then you're going to hook your hair, and then you're going to pull it through. So the last line, I'm going to use braiding here, and then I'm going to twist it. I'm not going to be using those crochet twists. So just pass your hair through like that, and then you're going to start twisting, joining your closure and your wig cap together. Make sure your twists are closed side by side so that everything will be covered and your wig cap will not be showing at the back. Just in case you're wondering the color of the braiding here, I mixed color 618 and color 27. I mixed those together. I have a tutorial on how to mix these two colors. I'm also going to link that tutorial in the description so that you can go and check it out if you don't know how to color blend. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue to cover this part right here, and then we'll go on to braiding the closure part.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now?
So guys, this is how the first half is looking like. So I'm going to show you how I do my parting, and then I'm going to finish braiding this side, and then we'll start with the other side. So I'm using a needle to open my parting, and then I'm also going to be using isoplast gel to make sure that my hair is easier to control. I'm just going to mold the hair with isoplast gel, and then I'm going to use my needle again to make sure that my lines are clean. So apply your gel right there, and then use your needle or a Telcom or whatever you have, but a needle is easier to use when you want to open the hair, like it's easier to part. So just continue parting until you are satisfied with your part. So this is the middle part, guys, middle side part. Like, yeah, this is my parting, it's on the side. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue, and this is how it's looking. So I'm going to braid this going all the way to the back. So I'm going to start off doing a knotless braid. So section your hair into 3 like that, and then I'm going to be adding braiding here. So hold your hair like this, and then take the first section of your hair and then add it onto your braid, and then you're going to braid 1 like that. Make sure you're pressing your braiding hair down, and then you're going to braid 2. Make sure you're pressing it down so that your hair will stay in place, your roots will be tight. So add the second section of your braiding hair, and then you're going to braid, and make sure you're pressing your hair down whilst you braid so that your roots will be tight. Yeah, so put the last piece. So I'm adding only 3 pieces, so just measure the braiding hair that you want to use, and then you're going to divide it into 3 sections, and then you're going to add it, start doing like a knotless for about 3/4 of an inch. And then after that, I'm going to be sectioning 1 of the 3 pieces, and then I'm going to be adding the hair to the other side, so that I'll be remained with only 2 sections to start my twist. So right here, I'm going to section right here the 3rd piece, and I'll be remaining with 2 sections like this. And then I'm going to start twisting, and make sure you're twisting both sides so that your twist will be tighter. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue to twist. I'm not going to twist until the ends, like I'm going to twist like about half, and then I'll finish the ends later on. So just continue twisting. So guys, if you are having issues with your roots that they are turning and flipping to the other side, and your braid ends up losing shape or facing the direction that you don't want it to face, I'm going to show you a method that you can use to avoid that. So again, section your hair into 3, and then you're going to add your first section of braiding here, and then you're going to braid 1, press your hair down, 2, press your hair down like that, and then add the second section, and then you're going to braid. Make sure don't rush this, guys. This part where you start to add your braiding hair, don't rush it, because if you rush it, your braid will end up looking loose on the roots. So take your time on the roots, and then you can rush when you're twisting, whatever, but on this part, make sure you're doing it slow so that your braids will come out looking nice. So just braid like that, and then you're going to divide your hair, and then you're going to end up with 2 pieces. So if you're having an issue where your braiding hair is twisting and turning to the direction that you don't want, you can add a clip like that, and then your braid won't move whilst you twist, guys. So do this if you're having issues, but if you're not having issues, you can just do the thing that I did at the first, where you're just going to continue to twist and you're not going to add a clip. But if your braid is turning and twisting and facing the direction that you don't want it to first, you can add a clip. So yeah guys, after doing that line, now to the other side, make sure you start sectioning your hair from the middle going to the where your lines are ending, so that way your sections will be equal. They'll be equal size. You won't have a bigger section on the last line. So make sure you start from the middle going outwards so that your hair will be equal. If the last line is going to be bigger, let it be the line that is going to be covered by the other lines, not the one on the part parting section that everyone will see. So I'm just going to continue, add 3 sections of braiding here, then I'm going to braid about 3/4 of an inch, and then I'm going to section my hair and make it 2 sections, and then I'm going to twist, guys. So let me know what you think about this method in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think. And I know most of you were waiting for the micro twist one, guys. The video is coming, guys. The video is coming. It's really a lot of work to film these tutorials and edit on top of that. It's really a lot. So please give me time to edit, and the tutorials will be delivered to you. Just make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that when I upload the tutorial, you'll be notified and you'll see the tutorials. Yeah, the micro twist one, I did it before, but the video got corrupted, and I only saw that when the video was already up on the YouTube channel. Like some of you guys told me, like, I didn't watch the tutorial when I uploaded it. Like, I was too tired from editing, and I watched from the comments that the video was not playing or throughout, so I had to take the video down. And since then it's been 2 months, and like I just felt like giving up. Like, I wasn't feeling like recording any videos. I've been making wigs, but I wasn't recording. Like, it was too much, like having to work hard to do something, and at the end of the day, the thing that you've worked hard for, you just lost it like that. Like, it's so painful. And I was like, oh, I have to take a break. But now I'm back, and I'm going to give you that micro twist tutorial soon, guys. Soon I'm going to give you that tutorial. So I think it'll be I'll upload it Monday, or I'm going to be uploading tutorials on Mondays and Fridays. Yeah, so expect the tutorial on Monday for the micro twist one. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video. Yeah, I'm talking too much, guys. Let's focus on this tutorial. So add your braiding here like that, and then you're going to add 3 pieces of braiding here. And when you're done braiding your knotless at the beginning, you're going to section your braids into 2 sections, and then you're going to start twisting. Yeah, guys, so I hope this video was helpful. I hope you've learned something from the video. If you did, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what you've learned. Let me know, guys. Your comments really matters a lot, guys. They motivate me, guys. They motivate me. So keep commenting. Even in emoji, it's more than enough for me, guys. If you don't have anything to say, just an emoji, just a heart, anything, guys, flowers, anything, it's more than enough, guys. It motivates me to keep doing this, guys. So yeah, like the video. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue to show you the last one, guys, the last one. So just like I did before, section your hair into 3 sections to start your knotless braids. Yeah, so just section your hair 1, section your hair 2, and then you're going to crisscross your braid like that, your hair, and then you're going to add your braiding hair from the side, and then you're going to braid like that. And then you're going to take the second piece of braiding here, and then you're going to add it from the side. Guys, I have another method of how to do knotless braids. I'm going to link that tutorial in the description so that you can check it out if you can't do this one. I have another one. So just continue adding your braiding here, and then braid, and then divide your hair into 2 sections and twist. So I did finish twisting the ends off camera, and I also dipped the hair off camera. I dipped everything into hot water, guys. Just mix hot water and conditioner and dip everything inside hot water, the closure part, everything, guys. Everything. Dip it into hot water and then just let it air dry overnight. Yeah, guys, so that is how I did this week, guys. And for the edges, you can just cut them off when you're installing. I'm not going to install this wig in this tutorial. Yeah, so this is how it's looking like, guys. This is how it's looking like. Let me know what you think about this wig in the comment section down below, guys. This is it, and I used 7 packs of 1 million braids, darling 1 million braids. Yeah, so I used 7 packs, and this is the wig, guys. Let me know what you think. I really love this blonde color. Yeah, let me know what you think about this wig. Like the video, comment, and share this video, guys. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, and if you're already subscribed. But thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I love you so much, guys. Goodbye.